Hi, welcome to Learn with me, Mrs. Sullivan. It's time for super suffixes. Ly, full, and less. They may look small, but they are powerful. These little suffixes add new meaning to the root word. Powerful, fearless, bravely. Super suffixes can be used bravely and fearlessly to describe things powerfully. A suffix is added to the end of a root word. When you add a suffix to a root word, you add meaning to the root word. Today we're going to look at the suffixes full, less, and ly. Let's look at the suffix ly. The suffix ly adds the meaning in a way that is to the root word. Happy becomes happily in a way that is happy. Excited becomes excitedly, meaning in a way that is excited. Sad becomes sadly in a way that is sadly. Ly changes the meaning by adding in a way that is to the meaning of the root word. I play the drums in a way that is loud. I play the drums loudly. Loud becomes loudly, adding the meaning in a way that is. Magical becomes magically. It means in a way that is magical. The suffix ly changes the meaning of the root word by adding in a way that is to the meaning. Brave becomes bravely. Power becomes powerfully. Quick becomes quickly. Let's look at the suffix ful. The suffix full adds the meaning full of to the root word. Thoughtful means full of thought. You can use more than one suffix. You can combine suffixes. She was full of grace. She was graceful. You can use more than one suffix on a single root word. She danced in a way that was full of grace. She danced gracefully. The suffix full changes the meaning of the root word by adding full to the meaning. Power becomes powerful. Grace becomes graceful. Let's look at the suffix less. The suffix less adds the meaning without to the root word. She is without shoes. She is shoeless. I treated my ice cream cone without care. I was careless. I held my ice cream cone in a way that was without care. I held my ice cream cone carelessly. I've added both the suffix less, meaning without, and ly in a way that is to make carelessly. It's fun to combine multiple suffixes to create really expressive words. In space, I am without weight. In space, I am weightless. I float in a way that is without weight. I float weightlessly. Both the sentences say the same thing, but by using suffixes and suffixes together, I can really make my writing sound better. The suffix less changes the meaning of the root word by adding without to the meaning. Fear becomes fearless. A suffix is a word part that is added to the end of a root word. I hope you enjoyed super suffixes. They're powerful. You can use them fearlessly and bravely to change root words. Super suffixes, ly, full, and less. They may look small, but they are powerful. Thanks for watching Learn with me, Mrs. Sullivan.